Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export a website to HTML. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can do this. So right now, we're going to go right to the steps. If you want to export your website as a PDF, you have two options. First one is through the Wix editor. Go to the site, tab in the left-hand menu, click on Export Site and choose whether you want to export the entire site or the selected pages. Through the site's dashboard, click on the Export button and then select PDF as export format, switching from Wix to another platform. If you're considering making the switch from Wix to another platform, you can have a couple of options to export your site's content and data. First one is exporting as HTML. If you want to export your site's content as HTML, just follow these steps. First one is logging into your Wix account and go to the site manager for the sites you want to export. Click on Select the export site from the menu. Choose whether you want to export all the data or select specific pages. Click on Export and wait for the export process to complete. And once the export is finished, you can convert the exported data into HTML using an online converter tools or software program like Adobe Dreamweaver. You can also transfer using WordPress. If you prepare to transfer your site to WordPress, here's what you need to do. First of all, create a backup for your Wix site to ensure you have a copy of all your content. Download your WordPress importer plugin into your WordPress site and import your Wix content into WordPress using the importer plugin. Assign the imported posts to the desired user in WordPress. By following these steps, you can successfully switch from Wix to another platform and continue your online presence without losing your valuable content and data. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.